Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up investing HSA funds with Schwab, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Charles Schwab website. If you don't have an account, create one by selecting the Open an Account option. Fill out your personal information, including your social security number and address. After your account is set up, log in using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Accounts tab at the top of the page. Under the Accounts section, find and click on Health Savings Account or HSA. If your HSA is not yet funded, transfer money from your primary bank account to your Schwab HSA. Select the amount you wish to contribute and confirm the transfer. Wait for the funds to settle in your HSA. After your account is funded, return to the Accounts tab. This time, locate the Invest option related to your HSA. Click on Invest Now or similar wording to access investment options. Review the available investment options, such as mutual funds or stocks. Decide on the types of investments that align with your financial goals. To purchase investments, select the desired funds or stocks. Enter the amount you want to invest in each option. Review your order for accuracy before confirming the purchase. Once confirmed, monitor your investments through the Schwab dashboard. Stay informed about your investments by checking regularly for updates. Always remember to keep track of your HSA contributions for tax purposes. Familiarize yourself with Schwab's resources for investment tips and strategies. Make adjustments to your investment strategy as needed based on your health expenses and financial situation. Following these steps will help you effectively set up and manage your HSA funds with Schwab for optimal investing. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.